This is a 100-year-old map, 1926 map, 99-year-old map in fact, which shows what I have done is shown current flooding areas and tried to understand why this flood. It's not very easy. I mean, even a lay person can understand that development has happened exactly where it should not have.
So hi, this is Vedant from SEM 9. So talking about today's rubaru lecture, it was about mapping water. Talking about it, it was really new, something new to learn from an architect's perspective. How to map the water bodies of around our city, and to know the importance of the water bodies through an architect's perspective. And also it was something new to learn that how he used this QGIS system to compare the archival maps and the modern maps. So it was really grateful, and as an architect it was really new perspective to learn. Thank you, Abhijit sir, for this wonderful lecture.